Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Shantanu Srivastav and today I'm going to show you how can we create custom word template for Dynamic 365 tables. I'm going to show you how can we create custom word template for quote entity. So right now if you open it and click here in the three dots, go to word template. So here we can see we have three word template and one is saying quote custom. If you click here, it downloaded a file. So here we can see that it's saying company logo and this is the potential customer name. Thanks for the showing up product name, quantity of product, total amount, and this is the name of the record owner of the quote. So how can we create this kind of custom word template? I'm going to show you in this video, and for that let's start. So this is my Dynamic 365 CRM environment, and if I go to the quotes table where I'm going to show you how can we create word template by custom, and click here on the word template. So here we can see that we have two word template given out of the box by Microsoft itself. So let's just try to open one template here, quote summary, this one. If you open it, we can see that we have some hard coded value, this like quote total amount and some values which is coming dynamically here. What we can do two things. First, we can update this word template or we could create a new one. So for this video I'm going to show you how can we create a new one. So go to advanced settings and here go to templates, click on document templates and click on new, download word template. We need to select our entity which is going to be quote, and we could select the related entity also. So I'm going to select a related one is to n relationship to quote product, and now click on download. Once it download, open it and click on enable editing. So here we can see that we see nothing here. So first we need to open this developer tab. If you don't find this developer tab in your MS Word window, go to the files, go to the option and here click on customize ribbon, all tabs. Here you will see this developer tab, click here and you can add it here. But we already have it here, so you'll remove it, click on OK. So now go to developer, click on XML mapping pane. Here in the drop down we will select the quote. So here we have all the fields where we can have the dynamic records, and this is the relationship table, quote details. This we also here. So now what we can do, we can create our word template here. So first we need to insert a header. Select the font, and now we'll write down our word template and add our dynamic value here. So like hi, right click here, select plain text. The customer name here will become here. Thanks for showing up on interest on product, and the quantity. Total amount will come from this code. And in last, we can write down like this: warm regards from the record owner. Now we need to save it. So before saving it, we could give it a name. And now we need to upload it back to our CRM. So go to the CRM. Here, click on upload template. Select your file here. So now we have a code custom here. Go back to our code record, do a refresh, click on three dots again, go to world template, and we can see we have three world template now. This one is custom created. Click here. If you open it, we could see, hi, this is the customer name. Thanks for showing interest on product. This one, quantity, total amount, warm regards from the record owner. So that's how we could create our custom world template. So that's it from our video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and do comment if you have any doubts. Thank you.